Welcome to our instructional video for macOS and Mozilla Thunderbird email client. In this video you will learn which software you will need to use your Cryptucan and how to install it. You are going to need these three pieces of software. GPG Suite, which is an open source software package for safe communication. This software bundle is essential since it takes care of encryption and signing your emails. It also enables you to manage your keyring. The next software is email client called Mozilla Thunderbird. And the final piece of software is add-on for Thunderbird called Enigmail. It provides support for GPG, so you can use it in the email client. Firstly, we are going to install GPG Suite. Open your browser and enter gpgtools.org. Click Download and then open the downloaded file. Choose the option Install in the first GPG Suite window. When the GPG Suite installer window opens, proceed with the next button. In the following window, choose Continue once again. Pop-up window will appear asking you whether you agree or disagree with the software license agreement. Click Agree. In the following window, click Install Now, enter your password if asked, and proceed with Install software. The installation process is quite short. Close the installer when it's done, and move the installer to trash if you want to. And now to Thunderbird email client. Visit thunderbird.net and click the green button saying Free Download. When the download is finished, open the downloaded file. It will install itself automatically. Now just simply drag and drop the icon of Thunderbird to the Applications folder. To install Enigmail, you firstly need to open Thunderbird and log into it. It will ask you to access your contacts. Choose whichever option you want to. Set up your email account using information from your email provider. Now we can move to installing Enigmail. At the top right corner you can see three lines representing menu button. Click on the symbol and then choose option Add-ons. New tab in Thunderbird will open. Go to Extensions tab in the menu on the left side. Type Enigmail into the search bar at the top of the page and press Enter. New window will open. Choose Enigmail out of the results and click Add to Thunderbird. A window will pop up. Click Install Now. Once Enigmail is added, notification bar saying that Enigmail has been successfully installed will appear at the top of the page. You can see it also appeared in the Add-ons Manager tab. Now you have all the necessary software installed to your computer. This means we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.